Morning guys, July 25th, 2024. This one here, I got a call from a guy. I've worked at his house before on his AC. He's got a couple of units, and one of the units in the basement is leaking. I think he's got one on the second floor and maybe two on the first floor. No, I think there's two on the second floor. But there's two units, one on each end of the house. Two condensers outside for the second and one for the first. The one for the first, I believe it is an ICP unit, and it was pretty gnarly last time I was there. I believe I worked on it, and the guy said he needed a new unit, and he pulled all the wires of the capacitor, disconnected the capacitor, told the guy he needed a new unit. All he needed was a capacitor, and I think he needed a little gas in the thing. But it was an older, it was pretty gnarly looking. The outside coil looked pretty all white, like somebody sprayed coil cleaner on it and never washed the shit off really good. It's kind of all rotted. Either that or a flipping dog has been pissing on it, one of the two.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on Smith Neck Road.
But anyway, his mother's there, and he's leaking downstairs, and the downstairs unit's leaking water, he said. So that could be a couple of things. Could be the filter, be a blocked up condensate line,
Turn right on Smith Neck Road.
rotted pan, bad condensate pump. It could be low on Freon and icing up.
Continue 3/4 mile. Turn right.
What happens if it gets low on Freon is the lower the pressure when it runs, the suction pressure will drop, and it gets super cold. I mean super cold. The lower the pressure, the lower the temperature. And you know, it gets down, you know, way below zero, and the thing will ice up. And then, you know, cool off at night, and then it'll shut off, and the thing will de-ice and dump. That happens a lot too. So we'll go over there and look at these fucking morons standing in the middle of the road. Stand in the middle of the road. Yeah, it's a good idea, lady. Whooping dum-dums. Right, just stand in the middle of the road. It's not all iced up, so. There's definitely water in this thing, so it's probably in this trap. We'll clean it. So there's definitely water here. Yeah. This thing's probably full of water on the bottom. It's gonna leak out for a bit. I'll show you. Watch this. Should be water in this thing.
I'm going.
See the water coming out? I'm going to put a cap on that, but we're going to vacuum that. See it? That should not have water in it. So we'll vacuum this out.
That's what the guy said. He said condensation in the AC because maybe it was running too much because it was crazy. Look at all the water. Wow.
Yeah, look at all the water. I like being retired. You like it?
Me?
You like it? Yeah?
Yeah.
A lot of people do like it.
Yeah, I enjoy my life. I take care of my grandkids.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that, right?
No. Wow, that was all the water going there, I know.
Yeah, definitely.
What is it? That's condensation?
Who, me?
No, that one. What happened? What is that?
Oh, there's slime in this trap. We're going to vacuum it.
I found a penny on it. I just found it over there.
Okay.
Bam, bam.
Take this right out. out of here and just drop it.
What about water?
Just let it hang there. I should be able to. There's not going to be a lot in there now because I took all the water out the other one, but I'm going to plug it in. Ugh. Taking care of the grandson's full-time job, no?
I know, tell me about it.
So much energy. God bless him. What happens? It gets slimy in there. Yeah, there it goes. You see it? See the water coming out of it? Wasn't a lot, but that's all it takes is a little bit. Easy's good, right? I like to have stuff easy. Don't you?
Yeah.
You say it's been cooling okay?
Yes, that's lucky.
Have to re-glue that back in there. I don't know why. I have to get some glue for that and re-glue it. That's all. No big deal.
But why has all this water?
Well, because this trap got slimy, so it wasn't draining out.
Yes.
And then this is supposed to be. This is supposed.
do it.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
This is supposed to be.
I couldn't do it.
Okay.
This
This one what?
This is supposed to be capped. It's not supposed to be open like that.
I see.
So that might be why the water is coming out also.
The cap is there, look. That's the cap. And I think that I need to replace the filter. Yes, look.
I'm just seeing if there's any water in the bottom of that, probably. He needs a new filter.
Yeah, I know.
It don't look like there's any water in the bottom. I mean, it will dry up, you know. It's hard to tell if there's water in there or not, to be honest with you. But he needs to get, does he have more filters? Look how this filter's getting
No,
all
I don't.
apart.
I need to buy. You have filters? No.
First of all, he put it in the wrong way. You're supposed to put this towards the fan. See how he put it in the wrong way?
Okay, so when I put it back...
Well, you see the arrow, the airflow?
Yeah.
It goes this way. But he put it in backwards so it blew out the back there. You see it?
Yeah.
That's not supposed to be like that. I'm going to put it in this way.
The right way.
But he's got to get a new one.
Okay.
He put it in backwards.
And I put it like that.
Did you put it in or he did?
I don't know. Maybe he did it.
He put it in backwards, the dum-dum. Alright, so... I mean, it doesn't look dirty, but it was in backwards. He blew the thing into next week. It blew up like a balloon. Alright, so let me get some glue. Re-glue that. I can put my pump and my stuff away here. Your son likes the new job better?
Yes, he's happy.
That's good.
Because the time is different now, so he can be with the family.
Just time to stay with his family and
Yeah, it's better.
Better.
Before it's like when he gets home, the kids were sleeping. He never could see them, so now...
He didn't like the other job. He didn't like the other job.
No, put this in the dump.
Yeah, you want to take it to the dump?
Put this one to the dump. And now put this bottle too.
Waste management. He's in waste management, huh?
Yes.
Bye, Lego.
Boy, it sounds exciting.
Yeah, he's happy.
Where's the screwdriver? No. Screwdriver.
He's happy.
All right, so I'm going to leave that top cap loose.
Okay.
The bottom one needs to be glued. So I vacuumed this out.
Yes.
That's what the problem was.
Oh, candy, no.
Oh, he's a handful, isn't he? Huh? You are a handful.
So you think that that's it? No more water after this?
You wish you had his energy, huh?
I wish I do.
I wish, me too.
Yeah. Okay.
Whichever.
I wish I had half the energy these guys have, these youngsters.
Okay. Do you think that this is enough? There is no more water inside?
Well, the problem was this trap had slime in it, so it wasn't draining, so it was backing up. Because this shouldn't have water in it. It should drain out, see?
Yeah.
So when I vacuumed it, I cleaned this out. Now it should drain into this pump and be pumped out. But you can see all the water on the top here. That's because this was, it's just how it is. It gets slimy. It's all part of the it's all part of the unit, right?
Yeah.
That should take care of it.
So, but you don't think that maybe it's water inside of this one?
No, I looked inside. I didn't see any. Give it a day or so. It should dry up.
Okay.
You know, and keep an eye on this.
It has to be dry here, no?
This should dry out. You gotta let the system run for a couple of days, and it should all dry up, and then you'll be good. But this was your problem.
Okay. Okay.
I definitely for sure.
Okay.
There's an arrow on a filter, right? And then I got an arrow there. You got to put it in the right way.
Good.
Because he put it in backwards, and it blew out.
Exactly.
Like a balloon.
Exactly. Yeah, you are right.